Hello, watch how I achieve this ukwobi recipe. Here is my pot. I added my cow leg that I already washed, seasoning, salt, white pepper, powdered onion, garlic powder, crushed ginger. I'll give it a good mix and I'll cover and allow it to steam. So here it has been steaming for 10 minutes. I will add hot water from the kettle. I'll still give it a good mix. And I'll cover and cook it until it is properly cooked. So here is properly cooked. I'll remove it and I'll start the stew. So here I added oil, potash water. I'll just give it a good mix. I'll mix and mix and mix. So this is what it look like. I'll add in my nutmeg, calabash, crayfish. I'll give it a good mix. For those of you always coming to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so that anytime we upload, you'll be notified. Feel free to check my channel for other videos that you might find helpful. Also share this video out. I'll be very happy and glad and appreciative. So I added my cow leg and I gave it a good mix. I added my onion and I added my parsley leaf. I'll give it a good mix. So now I'm done mixing. I'll transfer to my gas cooker and allow it to heat up just for a few seconds. So this is it. It's ready. I will serve it and enjoy it. Look at that. Thank you for watching. Super yummy, super delicious. Try this recipe. Bye.